Guys, I have to talk about this. There are some interesting developments going on in XRP chart. My name's Jason. I'm back at you with another video on Crypto Odyssey. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you like these updates. Now let's dive deep into the charts. So here we have the XRP chart on the 3 daily time frame. And I have two indicators on the chart for you. We've got the RSI and the Stochastic RSI. If we start at this low here that we formed in February, it was February the 3rd to be precise, you can see that we formed a low. Following on from that, we formed a lower low back on the 6th of June, 2026, the same year. We then formed another lower low back on the 21st, or actually the 24th of June. And right now we are forming a fourth lower low as of the 18th of August. Now this is on the 3 daily chart. We won't be closing this candle until we open the new one, which is on the 20th of August. But you can see here that we have formed 4 lower lows. This is significant. Why? Well, if we look at our RSI, you can see that we formed a low here. We then formed a higher low in June, the 3rd of June, another higher low on the 24th of June, and now we are in the process of forming another higher low in the RSI as of the 18th of August. This has the potential to be 4 waves of bullish divergence. What this signifies is the potential for a reversal in the market, because bullish divergence happens at the lows and it signals reversals in the market to the upside. 4 waves is a lot. Prior to that, we did have 3 waves, but now forming a lower low in the price action, but a higher low in the RSI, this is showing us some potential for the future. There is the possibility of a short squeeze occurring here. And what is super interesting is that we haven't seen this before in the XRP chart. If we go back to 2025, April 2025, you can see that we formed a low in the price action. We then formed a higher low. Yeah, just standard higher low. And that was the same in the RSI. And then we had this mega uprise. We also, on the 1st of January 2026, when we had this rise up from $1.70 up to $2.4, again, this was a higher low as well as a higher low in the price action. So we haven't really seen 4 waves of bullish divergence occur. Let's just go back to see if there's anything here. Again, here we saw 1 wave of bullish divergence where we had a low and then a higher low, but a lower low in the price action. But prior to that, we had a low, then a higher low, a low, higher low, etc. So that was just 1 wave of bullish divergence. What we're seeing here is 4 waves of bullish divergence occurring on the 3 daily chart. Now this is going to be a multi-time frame analysis. So let's just jump onto the 2 daily to see if this is consistent. And it paints the same picture. We have a low, a lower low in the price action, a lower low in the price action again, and as of right now, a lower low. But in the RSI, we have a higher low, and a higher low. So we have 4 waves of bullish divergence on the 2 daily as well. Now, I've also got the stochastic here, and I want to show you what's going on. We have a bullish cross forming right now. We don't have it formed just yet on the 3 daily, but it is forming on the 2 daily. We have the cross, and we had the cross come in, pretty much yesterday on the 17th of August. So we want to see this close. A new candle will open tomorrow, so we want to see it close today, and then we have the potential to see this come out of the oversold region. Once we see the stochastic get above the 20 level, then we're going to start seeing momentum to the upside. If we jump onto the daily, we have the same story. We have our bullish divergence. four waves. We have a low here, a higher low, and now a higher low, but lower lows in the price action. So this is positive for XRP, and there is potential here. Now, I don't want to say that the low is in, but there is potential for us to see a reversal to the upside. And what's interesting here is on the stochastic, we have already got our bullish cross confirmed, and now we are testing the 20 level. If we can get above, then we can start to see momentum push to the upside, and we have that 4 waves of bullish divergence on our side. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos. No one's really talking about this, so I hope that you find this information useful. Again, none of this is financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only, and for those that enjoy technical analysis. So please show some love, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.